Hey folks, welcome to a Blitz Victory Royale. Fun game this, a lot of kills. I'm going to talk you through it on the replay here. What is the secret to getting a lot of kills in Blitz? So in this case, I get 12 kills, 12 out of 32, which is over a third of the map. I've done it a few times. I reckon I've played 1,000 games. And I think the secret is just luck, because all the games I've looked at where I've got 12 kills or 11 kills, it tends to just be being in areas where there's a lot of players at the same time. So you can see right off the start here, I've got 1, 2, 3 players kind of all in the same space, taking my time with this one. And as I traverse through the map and travel around, I've kind of just been lucky in that there's been players I can attack. You know, sometimes you're wandering the map for a while and can't find anyone. But you can see here, there's very little time where I am not being challenged or challenging another one of the players, which helps rack up the kill count. In this season, the Star Wars season, you're a little bit limited on travel because you've only really got the saber for running fast and doing the double jump, whereas in the John Wick season, for example, that has both the shock rocks and the boots that go very fast, which just lets you get around the map much quicker. Though I wouldn't say that's necessarily increased kill count over this Star Wars season. So certainly with this game, still managed to get 12 kills. And again, here I can hear where the fight is, so third-party kills. Those two both killed each other enough for me to just come in and take care of both of them. Another one here. Very little health and shield to deal with. I'm just jumping around, waiting for the force lining to recharge, and then easy to deal with. Pretty sure that was a bot. And we've got a friend here coming in for the supply crate. Again, nice and easy with the force lining. That's what we'll pick up. The supply crate they were going for. So there's 3 players left, and I'm going to get all 3 of them. We've got a friend over here. Clearly another bot. I should be dead by now. And this guy trying to shotgun me. Just keep double jumping. Makes myself very hard to hit. Get the shield, come out of the shield, and then, whoa, you've walked straight into my force lining. And then finally my friend here. Still got full shields, full health, whereas he's got very little left. And that's the win.